Thank you so much, Marshall. And hello, everyone. Welcome again to Fall 1 Data Population Live Training with CSIS supporting CalPads. My name is Matt Clark. I'm a trainer here at CSIS, and I'll be one of your presenters today. Also presenting will be Kyron Pagulayan and my colleagues, Marshall Isbell, who you just heard on the ones and twos, as well as Slyman Ahmed will be operating in the background, providing any additional support we may need via chat. Looks like Nathan Holmes is also likely to join us shortly here. This training is set to last about 2.5 hours today, and the focus of this training is to provide guidance for the data submission needed to complete Fall 1. We'll discuss student profile file types, online maintenance and batch file submissions, and the resolution of validation errors. And we'll provide a demonstration of the batch file submission process in the second half of the training today. This training should be attended by users who are new to CalPads and by CalPads data coordinators. Experienced users may attend as well and treat this session as a refresher. If you're new to CalPads, we strongly recommend that you attend the Fall 1 reporting and certification training, or that you have attended the Fall 1 reporting and certification training to gain an understanding of Fall 1 certification reports and the certification process. This slide contains the CSIS training roadmap, or the CSIS CalPads training roadmap, the training model here at CSIS. The CSIS training model was designed to be segmented to provide organization of specific topics and concise delivery. We aim to provide focused trainings with relevant information and instruction. And on the left here, we have the CalPads introduction and basics, which are the prerequisite for the data population sessions. The data population sessions are submission specific in the fall. So we are currently in Fall 1 data population, and there is also a Fall 2 data population, but the data population sessions are file type specific in end of year. So rather than an end of year 3 data population, we'll have data population recordings on the sync, SIRS, and soft file types, the STAS file types, and the file types that we submit in end of year. These sessions are, again, the prerequisite for the reporting and certification and advanced courses, and Fall 1 reporting and certification and Fall 1 advanced have both occurred a couple of times this submission cycle now. Our skill building courses are currently being developed, but they are being developed in order to target or develop targeted CalPads competencies and skills. We have a couple of them up on the CSIS YouTube training channel now, with the guide to navigating the error list and a guide to CalPads system documentation, but we will be looking to build out these skill building courses quite a bit in the future. These are the objectives for today's session. So by the end of the session, participants should be able to first identify the different file types expected to be reported in Fall 1. And this uses the manage and maintain data competency in the CSIS CalPads competency model. Next, determine which student information system fields map to CalPads file specifications. And this uses the CalPads literacy competency. Third, perform the submission process through online maintenance and batch file upload, which uses the manage and maintain data competency once again. And finally, resolve submission errors and reporting roadblocks through scenario discussions, which involves the critical thinking competency. And as we can see on the slide, manage and maintain data is the CalPads competency, which Fall 1 data population live training develops most in users who attend. It is the competency that shows up most in our objectives. This is the agenda for the training today. So this is how we'll make good on those objectives. We'll begin with an overview of Fall 1 data population, or the student profile record submission, and provide file key details for each of the file types submitted in Fall 1. We'll then provide a demonstration of data population and submission in batch file upload. And then we'll conclude the training with a wrap up of key points, a preview of future training, and we'll provide support resources. I know a 3-item agenda doesn't look like much, but that is quite a bit of content to get through this morning. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.